Hello, let's see how we can create 100 quotes with Canva and ChatGPT. On the Canva homepage, we can just enter quote Facebook post and we can click Canva templates and click enter. Now we can choose any template. So let's say I'm choosing this one design. So we can click customize this template. Now let's go to the left side menu and click apps. And here we will find bulk rate. Click on bulk rate and enter data manually. So we need to enter here our quotes. Now we can go to ChatGPT and we can ask to write 100 quotes. And I am entering, here are 100 quotes from famous thinkers. Now I am entering that can you write to the table in one column thinkers, in other quotes? Okay, now we can click copy. And now we can paste to Excel file. So I am opening Excel and now I am clicking Ctrl+V. Here you have, okay, now we can come back to our Canva. We can go to apps, to the left side menu, apps, and here click bulk rate. And now we have two choices. The first one, enter data manually. Click here, and now we can clear table, and we can paste our information. So I am copying all thinkers. Now I'm selecting, clicking Ctrl+C, and let's come back to Canva and click Ctrl+V. And here we can enter title. For example, there is thinkers. Now we can add a text. Click add a text. We have one column. And now let's come back to our Excel file. We can select second column, click Ctrl+C. Now come back to Canva, Ctrl+V, and we can enter that there is quotes. And now we can click done. Okay, now we can select quote and click three dots and connect data. And now we will connect with quotes. We see that we connected. Now we can click on thinkers. I want that there will be thinker, three dots, and connect data and thinkers. I see that now it is connected. And we can click continue. We see all quotes, 100, and click generate 100 designs. And here you go. We have 100 designs very quickly and very easy with Canva Pro. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can try it for 30 days. Link you will find in the description. If you want to cancel your Canva Pro, you can go on your Canva homepage, click your profile picture, your account, settings, and billing plan. And here you can click three dots and cancel plan. Okay, let's come back to our Canva. Now let's see the second way when we want to upload data. At first, we need to save our Excel file. Let's go to Excel, click File, Save As. This PC, we can name it. I am entering quotes. And let's see that we save Excel workbook XLSX file and click Save. Okay, I will replace them. Now we can go back to our design and click Upload Data. Now we can select our folder and our file, quotes, and click Open. Now we see that it is opened. We can click continue and we see thinkers and quotes. I was named like this on my Excel file, thinkers and quotes. Okay, now we can make the same steps. We can select quotes, 3 dots, connect data and quotes. We can click thinkers, 3 dots, connect data and thinkers, and we can just click continue and generate 100 designs. And here you go, we have 100 designs. Maybe we need adjust a little bit, align, and when it suits us, we can download. So we can go to share button, click download, choose file type PNG, select pages, and click done and download. And 100 quotes you will find in your downloads folder. You can click right button and extract files and click OK. And here you go. We have 100 posts. I hope you like this quick tutorial. Click like and subscribe and see you next time.